Adding a navigation bar to your Blogger website enhances user experience by allowing visitors to easily navigate to different sections of your site. Here's how to add a navigation bar in Blogger. Log into Blogger. Sign into your Blogger account and open the blog where you want to add a navigation bar. Create pages. A navigation bar typically links to important pages on your blog, like About, Contact, Home, or Services. To create a page, go to Pages in the left sidebar, click New Page, and add the content. Repeat this for all pages you want to link in the navigation bar. Go to Layout. In your Blogger dashboard, click on Layout in the left sidebar. This is where you can add and rearrange elements on your blog's layout. Add the navbar gadget. In the Layout section, click on Add the gadget in the area where you want your navigation bar. From the list of gadgets, select Pages. This gadget automatically displays links to the pages you've created. Customize the navigation bar. After adding the Pages gadget, click Save and rearrange the pages if needed. You can also customize the style of navigation bar through your blog's theme settings under Theme Customize.